Do remember when you are heating with NaOH, right? You need to consider two things, hydrolysis and also neutralization. Once you have these, right, you remember this is the hydrofoam test. So if you have the special structure, it will react. But these two things, right, will also need to account for basic hydrolysis as well as neutralization. So you got the oxidation, right? Oxidation is the main reaction that you're looking for. Along the way, by the way, side reaction might also happen. So guys, if I give you the hydrofoam reagents and condition, right? What do you need to look out for? You need to look out for the special structure for this oxidation. You also need to look out for ester, amine, and maybe nitrile because they may undergo basic hydrolysis. Then you also need to look out for what? You also need to look out for phenol carboxylic acid because they may go through neutralization. So grand total, guys, how many things do you need to look out for? One, special structure, right? Functional group, functional group, functional group, functional group, functional group. Once, two special structure and five functional group. So it is actually important to be very aware when they give you like a big molecule, right? They want you to be very aware that all these functional group might react. Okay, another example is when you have your KMNO4, sulfuric acid, and heat. So the whole thing, right, you're looking out for what? You're looking out for oxidation, yes, strong oxidative cleavage. Oxidative cleavage. Then this one you're looking out for what? Acidic hydrolysis. You're looking out for neutralization. Okay, I pause here for a while. I'm going to give you a little bit of time, right? You refer to the hydroform reagent and condition, all the functional group that you need to take note, and then you do the same for this KMNO4. What are the functional group that you need to look out for? You may not come up with everything, but at least come up with a few. Okay, everybody. I hope you all at least come up with one per category. Okay, oxidative cleavage, right? I can split it up into three groups off the top of my head. You can have cleavage of CC double bond, yes. You can also have side chain oxidation, right, of the benzene ring. What else? Acidic hydrolysis, same thing here as the amide and nitrile. Neutralization, we only have amine, carbonyls. Okay, so just look out for how many functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if they give you KMNO4, right, there's actually a lot of things to look out for, yeah. Just you need to just scan in your brain like which is the functional group that is present in the molecule that you're dealing with.